I have a question for you. What do you want to walk out of 2020 with? Think about it. We've got 3 months left. What do you want to walk out with? Think, reflect, and contemplate. But before you do that, I want you to take out some time and grieve, mourn the loss. You know, as individuals and as a society, we have all lost a lot this year. 2020 has been tough, it has been difficult, and I think this difficult season is going to continue for a while. We have lost a certain lifestyle that we were so attached to. We've lost dreams, hopes, careers, ambitions, aspirations. We've lost relationships, we've lost our loved ones. So it is only normal and natural to feel that pain. And before you move any further, I want you to hold space for that pain. Feel that pain, own that pain, grieve that loss. Once you have taken out some time to do that, then think about where do you want to go? Who do you want to become in future? Seasons change and so do we. I don't know about you, but I am ready for change. And it is quite fitting to talk about change as seasons are changing. We are moving from summer to autumn and then autumn to winter. And I don't know about you, but I am so ready for colder months ahead. I live in India and in Delhi, and Delhi is hot. It's hot right now. We get a super extended summer season which goes on from March till October, and I've had enough. I am so ready for winter. I don't think we discuss enough the impact that weather has on all of us. Our moods, our general well-being, our productivity. This impact is massive. So I think as we are moving towards October, we all should make use of great weather that is ahead of us and really think about what it is that we want to achieve in the next 3 months. My only suggestion is to stick to 1 or 2, at the max 3 things. 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of 2020. If you were to achieve these 3 things, you are going to be the happiest person alive. That is the kind of list I want you to think about. 3 months are enough to achieve 3 goals, but make sure that your goals are realistic, keeping in mind whatever is going on in our outside world right now. And also make sure that your goals are very, very detailed and specific. Don't make them vague. So if, for example, weight loss and fitness is one of your goals, then really describe in detail what it means for you. How many kilos do you want to lose? What is your action plan? Are you getting on a specific diet? Are you doing a certain type of exercise? So as detailed as you can get, it then becomes easier for you to take action every single day. And the trick of this method is to take daily action, massive daily action. The world is changing rapidly and it will continue to do so. So I think it is very important for all of us to take out some time, sit down and think, how can we adapt to these changes? And how can we become a better version of ourselves? And how can we fit in? And now I would love to hear from you. So let me know in the comments down below what it is that you want to walk out of 2020 with. Let me know and I will see you in the comment section. Bye.